Want to contact Temu customer support for account assistance? In this video, I will guide you how you can do that. First of all, open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have launched it open, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you're facing any problem with your account and you want some assistance, you can always contact the Temu customer support. To contact them, tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on this headphone icon. It will take you to the support page. Here you will find different articles. You can simply tap on that and check if that will fix your problem. If not, then you can directly contact support. For that, tap on the Contact Us option at the bottom of your screen, which will take you to Temu Customer Support chat box. Here, you can simply type in your issue. If you don't want the virtual assistant, you can also request for a human agent. Once the agent is connected, you can simply type in your issue here, provide all the details that is required, and then the customer support will help you fix your problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.